Okay, I can only run this for a couple days before the inspector comes for the for apartment thing. So, and turn this one on as well. So this vacuum pump is on, and so is this one. Try something. Okay. So the seal on this one isn't quite complete. So that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and plug this in. It's on. I already have it plugged in on that end as well. And so it's pulling a very good vacuum and it's lighting up. So it's on. So we are going to wait for a couple days and then I'm going to turn it off. And don't worry, it'll come back on.